Good morning, students. In my previous video, the chapter ammonia, I explained the properties of ammonia, the manufactures of ammonia by Haber's process. So today we'll have to learn fountain experiment and other physical and chemical properties of ammonia. Ammonia is basic in nature because when it dissolves in water, it forms ammonium hydroxide. When we draw the structure of ammonia, we will see nitrogen has lone pair. When any central element has a lone pair, it acts as Lewis base. Now, we say its properties. Physical properties of ammonia: it's a colorless, odor, strong, pungent, choking smell, and taste slightly bitter because it is basic in nature. Now we see fountain experiment. The process of fountain experiment is just like same whatever we have done in the chapter HCl. In HCl and ammonia, all the setups are same. We are taking round button flask, trough, dropper, water, litmus solution. In HCl, blue litmus solution turns to red litmus solution and makes fountain. But here we are taking ammonia gas in round bottom flask and red litmus solution in trough. By atmospheric pressure, red litmus solution enters into the flask and combined with ammonia gas and turns to blue fountain. This experiment shows the basic properties of ammonia. Okay, so now you will have to see the structure of ammonia. In the structure of ammonia, you can see one lone pair, means two electrons. These electrons are not combined with the other hydrogen. This is called lone pair. So if any central element contains lone pair, that compound is basic in nature. So ammonia is basic in nature due to the presence of lone pair in the central atom. When ammonia combined with water, it forms ammonium hydroxide, which shows a basic property. And now we are doing litmus test, methyl orange test, phenolphthalein. In litmus, red turns to blue, methyl orange turns to yellow, and phenolphthalein turns to colorless to pink. When ammonia burns in oxygen, it burns with a yellowish green flame. Next, different reactions are given. These are the properties of ammonia. When ammonia combined with copper oxide, it gives nitrogen gas. And makes reddish brown solid precipitate. So all the reactions you will see from your book and do regularly practice. Now test for ammonia gas and ammonium ion. It has a sharp characteristic odor. It turns red litmus blue, turmeric powder brown, and phenolphthalein solution pink. If it gives dense white fumes with concentrated hydrochloric acid. When glass rolled deep in HCl and being near ammonia gas, we can see dense white fumes. Now, uses of ammonia. Ammonia is used in explosive like ammonium nitrate, and also it is used in fertilizers. We are calling urea. So a lot of uses. So basically, we can see in this chapter Haber's process, fountain experiment. These are very important part: fountain experiment and manufacture of ammonia by Haber's process. And rest properties preparations. Thank you, students.